Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I like to start by thanking everybody for subscribing to my channel, liking the video and entering the competition. Today the competition ends, so I'm going to announce the winner. I'm not quite myself, I will say. My dad passed away on the Friday just gone, so I wasn't actually up for doing this video, but I'm trying to keep a strong head for everybody at the moment. So I'm just going to get straight into the competition, and I will say as well, once I hit over 1,000 subscribers, I will start doing 2 giveaways a week. I did this eye look today with the Jolie beauty palette. I'll tell you the colours that I used. Sorry, I have to get it out. I should have actually got that prepared, but it doesn't matter. So for this eye look, I used Electric for the top here. I used Ray and Dawn for the lower lash line. I used Dew for the inner corner, and I used Glint for the inner side of the lid, and I used Statue for the outer side of the lid. If you want me to show you how I created this look, and don't forget to leave a comment on this video. Right, so let's get to the competition. I've got my phone in my hand. I do apologise because I'll have to look down for this. Everybody who entered into the competition were everybody who are subscribed to my channel, liked the video and left hashtag golden skies. I'm going to call out the names of everybody who entered, and then we'll see who the winner is. First person was Richard Seeger. Second person was Georgia Slipper. Third person was Zoe Knowler. Fourth person was Shelley Marsh. Fifth person was Samantha Clumbers. Sixth person was Madison Langley. Seventh person was Vicky Johnson. Eighth person was Leslie Robinson. Someone commented, but they didn't do the hashtag golden skies, but I'd like to say thank you to them for even leaving a comment. Eighth person is Regan Denise. Ninth person is Emma Weaver. 10th person is Catherine Phyllis. 11th person is Kenneth Howsam. And 12th person, I don't know if I'm going to be saying this name right, but Anelia Adji, I think it is, it says. I've got them on my name generator, everybody who entered. Sorry if it is back to front. And I'm just going to recheck just to make sure that is everybody. Yep. Right. Now, I'm going to click this button and it's going to pick a name. It will always start off with whatever name's up the top. Here we go, guys. And the winner is Samantha Clumbers. So Samantha, well done, darling. That's one of my friends. Well done for winning the competition. Inbox me and send me your address and I'll get it in the post for you. Thanks everybody for watching this video and liking, subscribing. My next giveaway should be next month, but I will say it might not be until the end of next month. The only reasons being is because there's a lot of sorting to do for my dad's funeral and stuff. So thanks guys.